Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 8th CBSE Maths Rational Number Exercise 1.1 question number 1. In that second subdivision, let's see the question. Using appropriate properties, find in the second subdivision it is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. We can cancel this, but the thing is they have given to form appropriate properties. So we need to do according to the given question. It is using appropriate property. Here in multiply, if it is in multiply, we need to take it as a term. Here this 2 are in multiply, so this is one term. This 2 are in multiply, so this is one term. Plus this 2 are in multiply, so we need to take it as a term. So here we have 3 terms in the sum. So in this we need to check any common number is there. In the 3 thing, is there any common rational number? Yes, it is 2 by 5. We have 2 by 5 here, and also in this term we have a 2 by 5. Write them together. Always write the values together for you to solve easily. Now this becomes 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. Here I am writing this term here, 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now we know that 2 by 5 is common in both the cases, so take it commonly outside. 2 by 5 here, take it outside. Write the rest in the bracket. Here taking 2 by 5, we have minus 3 by 7. Write it here. We have 2 by 5 outside, so here it becomes 1 by 14. So write this term, minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. Now in the bracket, according to the BODMAS rule, in the bracket we need to solve it first. We need to take LCM. It is an addition and subtraction, so we need to take LCM to solve it. We know that in 7 and 14, we have 14 as a biggest number, so the LCM will be 14. If you don't know, just do it like this, 7 comma 14, 7 ones are 2s are, so 2 ones are. Now we know that 7 2s are 14 is the LCM. So taking LCM, multiply 2 in both the numerator as well as in the denominator. So 2 by 5, here it becomes minus 6 plus 1 by, as 14 is common in both, I am writing in the denominator. Now here we can cancel with the numerator and the denominator. 2 ones are 3 ones are 3 2s are 6. So if I multiply here, it becomes minus 1 by 4. Now 2 by 5 into 5 by 14, as 6 we have a greater number sign, plus minus I am subtracting it and writing the greater number sign. Now here it is minus 1 by 4, 5 gets cancelled, 2 7s are 14, while multiplying becomes 1 by 7 minus 1 by 4. We need to take LCM again to solve it. Taking LCM is not, I'll teach you one easy method. Here we know that 7 and 4, it is not common. For that, the LCM, just multiply the numerator, cross multiply it in the numerator and multiply both the denominator. Now for the numerator it is cross multiply, for denominator multiply both. Here if I multiply here, it becomes minus 4 minus 7 by 7 4s are 28. Numerator I am cross multiplying and the denominator I am multiplying both. Now if I solve this, it is both subtraction sign, and so we need to add it. If I add, it becomes 11 by 28. I can't solve it further, I can't cancel it, so I am leaving it as it is. So the final answer for the sum is minus 11 by 28. That's all with the sum. Thank you.